welcome back to my channel. This weekend we are taking a stroll through the enchanting Waterloo Christmas market. Join me as we soak up the holiday spirit. Look at this breathtaking view from the bridge. Right in the center you can see the dome of St. Paul Church. Below us flows the river Thames, shimmering under the winter sky. Look at this amazing lights and these cute little stalls. The street food, festive lights and cheerful atmosphere make it feel like a true winter wonderland. Look at this iconic London Eye along with some London Eye's most famous landmarks. Fun fact, Bollywood stars Katrina Kaif and Akshay Kumar shot a popular scene from Namaste London right here, and there was a song Yahi Hota Hai Pyar Kya was captured. Beautiful glimpse of this very spot. So as we move along, look at these charming market stalls. The street food, festive lights, cheerful atmosphere, and they're serving delicious waffles, chocolates, strawberries. Look at this view. This place has a vibe, guys. If you are enjoying this festive walking tour, don't forget to like and share the video. Look at this. I couldn't resist myself grabbing a cup of strawberries. It's a perfect treat on a chilly day. And here we are approaching Big Ben, fully loaded out in the holiday lights, looking magnificent against the evening sky. Let's keep walking a bit further. You can see this beautiful Big Ben and the view looks amazing. And here we are walking towards the grand, iconic London Eye. Just right in front of me. Look at this, how pretty it is. Ta-da! Alright, let's go further. So here we have some cozy bars and some more holiday stalls to check along the way. So now I'm heading out from this place, and this area is called Southbank. Oh my god, lights looks amazing, and this place has a beautiful view. So yeah, here you can see the bridge, London Eye all together. I hope you guys are enjoying this walking tour. Now it's time to head back, and I'm making my way towards Waterloo Station. So this area, you can see that green light, the green spot, that's the Waterloo Station. And just ahead there is one of those iconic red London buses. Look at this one. So now let's hop on and catch the train to home. So here I am inside the Waterloo Station. The station is massive too. It has two stations together, Waterloo and Waterloo East. Now we'll catch Southeastern Railway from here.
Platform 11 for the 2220 service to Salisbury. Calling at Woking, Basingstoke, Overton, Whitchurch, Andover, Brazeley and Salisbury.
Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.